Not gonna go well, guys.
3, 2, 1.
No way! Why? Are you kidding me? Oh man! Hey everyone, Rhino Genius here, and welcome back to another episode where today, at the first stop, a new Beyblade. But we're not gonna show you what you got, what it is. We're gonna launch it. Guess what Beyblade it is. Have to base off what color it is, how protective it is, and how strong it is, and definitely how burstable it is. So we have Rocktabor because it's not the best Beyblade in the world.
Against this one. So here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Go, 3
Have you guys guessed yet?
If you guys want to guess, make sure to click the eye in the corner.
Oh gosh! That shot! I don't think
So guys,
it burst at the same time. Are you ready to see the Beyblade? If you haven't commented it yet, comment in 3, 2, 1. Alright, I bet you didn't guess this. Our very own Beyblade.
So guys, I've been working on this for a while. If you had seen our HappyRhino channel, we had put this in upcoming videos that we were making our own 3D printed Beyblade. So this is just like a tester, guys. Our one's going to be much more colorful, much different, and we're going to have more custom parts.
And much more unburstable.
I know, this thing like bursts like even to Rocktabor. That's pretty sad.
But even though they did technically both.
Yeah. So anyways, guys, this is our Beyblade. We hope you guys like it. We decided to make a combo have 0 because this is based off of rhinos because of the channel, and rhinos are heavy. And then we also did this because if you launch orbit hard, it can charge around just like rhinos. So guys, our base, what we're calling this Beyblade is Charge Karkanram. So Karkanram is like a legendary, like Karkadan is how you say it, and it's a legend. Karkadan, who's like a unicorn and rhino put together, and it's a mythological creature. So this is just a test. If you guys have any suggestions for how we should change it, make sure to leave it below. But this is a left spinning Beyblade. It has this horn, so it can either crush into you, or if it's opposite spin, it deflects you. So it's kind of like Unicrest a little bit. But guys, we're going to add some changes to this in its next evolution. But this is just the starter, okay? So let's put it against some other Beyblades. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip!
No, what? I did the right thing! I did the right thing!
That's not even a Where did that come from? So guys, I'm also planning to spray the edges of this with like some rubber. So it's like rhino skin is like its ability. So it can like steel spin even more. Since it's a left spin Beyblade. If you have any different combo suggestions for it, make sure to leave it in the sections below. 3, 2, 1, go 2! Please don't burst! Please don't burst! Guys, the teeth on it are super and double burst again, guys, but well technically Karkanram burst first, but yeah, anyways. Let's put it against Valtriek.
Oh no! Not gonna go well, guys.
3, 2, 1.
No way! Why? Are you kidding me? Oh man! What broke off?
So guys, Rhino Genius threw the launcher at our new Beyblade, and its mouth came off. How dare you! I finally wanted to put that on you, break it! I'm gonna hot glue that on later, but for now, it's just gonna. Oh, and it bursted in my hand.
I did.
3, 2, 1. Let it rip!
Oh man!
Okay, guys, very burstable, guys, but the plastic is actually holding up. So let's do one more battle against Ledge Spryzen. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna do one more battle with it because that was really not epic.
I think I launched my Beyblade on top of it.
So guys, I added tape to the side of it. Where is that? Haha, so now she'll never burst.
I don't think it works that way.
Yes, it will. Let's see it perform. Oops. Let's see it perform, guys. Watch. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Yes, take it out. Look at it charge. Oh, it's not bursting. Look at that. It's so cool. It's amazing. Use the horn. burst it with the horn. Steal and spin! Do something!
I told you! This tape right here is useless.
Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video where Rhino Genius created a faceless ride.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
If you guys want to see the next generation of this Beyblade, because this is just a test of this, guys. This is not. This is so rough, guys.
At least I broke the tester of this.
Yes.
I'll put it smile.
So, guys.
Meh. It's frowning. It's frowning at you guys. Don't hit the like button.
Guys, if you like this, make sure to subscribe down below and stick out for the actual version of this. This is just a tester. So, guys.
At least I broke the tester.
Yes, at least you didn't break the real thing. Anyways, guys, as I always say,
keep your horns up
and smile. See you next time, guys.
Bye.